Lourdes Chica, sa panayam ng isang mosang, inamin ng phenomenal love team na Don Bell na ayaw nila ng drama. At sila yung pinaka-solid couples sa showbiz industry ngayon. Saad nila, we don't need the drama and just quietly became one of the most solid couples in this industry. Red carpet moments, constant support, zero fragile masculinity energy. It's refreshing to see. Honestly, sometimes the best relationship are just two people genuinely each other's corner.